Welcome everyone to the official the official Party Turkey channel. In this channel we do a lot of funny videos that will make you laugh, hopefully. And I am going to be the most famous YouTuber. I'm gonna be as famous as Mr. Beast, guys. So yeah, I hope my videos reach the right audience, and yeah, just enjoy my first video. Also, like, subscribe, and check out my friends group. It should be on the screen right now. Yeah. Go join now.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why.
Video. And I am innocent. I'm an innocent little turkey. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Are you sure about that?
I don't trust anyone. We're all lying to me. Everyone is lying. No. Okay, who is the This girl was insane. But anyway, do you guys want to see mine? Yes. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm so good at this game. Like, yeah, we don't talk about my coins.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. I have loads of them. Good stuff. Let's put an orange and no, I want clownfish. Wait, why is that bigger? No, that makes me angry. Let's put in clownfish and stuff. Yes. This is so good, bro. Oh my god, are we walking slowly? It's a new trend. Okay, let's see what I get. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I had 10% chance. I'm innocent, guys.
Are you sure about that?
I'm so innocent.
I'm actually the most innocent person on this planet.
Oh my goodness gracious. Let's go. Party. How? Just exploded. Oh no, what was it? Shit. Well, like, into it, it's dying. Guys, sleep. Oh, sit down. Don't leave me. Oh, yeah, I hate you. Hold up, I'll put it in. What? Oh, yeah, you think you can do it. I'm keep it so much better routine. Don't forget, I don't, guys. Okay, let's go. Follow you. No, in, bro. Hey, I don't touch your laptop. I hate how I have, like, pause. No, it's someone. No, no one. Jukes. Turkey. No one jukes that. I take part in jokes. No one. Okay, I hate dogs so much. Like, dogs. God. Sleep. What is the girl circle? What circle? Careful, girl. Oh man. Oh, what's the clothes on? Hey, don't dare do that. Don't dare. Oh my god, you're so getting it. You're so getting it, bro. Oh my god. I'm going to rage to you. Is. Guys, epic comeback. Well, no. Because. Oh my god, guys. I just ate. I'm so good. Yes. Yeah. She left! Oh my god. Well, I'm innocent again. Guys, I'm innocent. I did nothing wrong. Guys. Bro. Oh no, someone died. I mean sleep. Someone sleep. Oh no. What is this? What is this? It looks like acid if someone dyed it blue. I do not have a blue house with a blue window. No, sad hamster. Oh, are you okay, man? No. Please spare me. I'm just an innocent turkey. Oh, wait, was she murdered? I think she was. Oh no. Oh, why am I so bad at these jobs? I'm coming for you. Yeah, see, I'm like, no, I'm eating your knife. Oh no, she's no. Oh, she was murdered. I saw her holding it. Not her. Wait. No. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. It's cheating because they look the same. I have a cookie. Bro, I am raging so badly right now. Like, who shot me? I am an innocent turkey and I deserve to
Are
speak.
you
Oh,
sure
man.
about that?
It was that. Why me? Why are you dancing on me? What did I do? Actually, we have turkey rights. I'm going to confront her. I'm confronting you. We have turkey rights. We have turkey rights. She can't. Bro, why can't I'm too fat. Aww. Okay. I'm innocent. More. Sing to me, mommy sing to me, mommy sing to me. Let me in. Michael, let me here. Michael. Oh, I know. You have to see my face right now because hi. Oh, lol, I'm going to move place. Who have gun? Who have shooty shoot thing? Thing we use in other games like Go Garden, and Natural Justice. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that. Oh no, Hamster is on his villain arc. Hamster on a villain arc. Guys, watch this epic juking. Bro, you can't even come up here. Yeah, I juked him so bad. Sing to me, mama sing to me. I love you, sing to me, mommy sing to me. Live that style, bad girls do it well. Live that style, bad girls do it well. Live that style, bad girls do it well. Style, bad girls do it well. Chain is the chest, and I'm backing on the dash. So the chain is my chest, and I'm backing on the ring. Get back, get down, and I close my hand and came to hand. Hands up, hands high. And I'm screaming and I close you with a bang. Ah, it's okay. I'm coming in the Cherokee gasoline. And scream on the window screen, take it. I don't know the rest of the song, no, leave me alone, evil hamster girl. Hamster? You're so evil. No spam, little jumper. I'm so bad at this game. Oh man. Wait, you blink? Why are you blinking at me? Don't blink. The hell? Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed my first video. I hope I actually turned the mic on this time. Anyway, yeah. Bye.